There's some people on the boat over there. Oh, some people in this boat here, I guess they're waiting for a full load, which is going to be us. Okay, we're on board one of the boats, and you got the life jackets up there. We came all the way to the back. We're heading out now. There's the water down there. Another one over there, that's the Yamaha outboard motor engine. We got Suzuki 175. Crazy. Well, let's see the video. Guys, Danny's 10.
Probably having a wild party at home.
You didn't come back too late last night.
Yeah.
No, you were originally. I think they're keeping themselves up today.
See how it swings?
No.
You gotta reverse. You gotta reverse gear on the engine. There's the battery down there. Started.
Where were you before that? Always go there? From where? Kenya.
So we're moving now.
Oh, Americano. Have you taken them to Kenya? Yes. Like your friend, I'm not going on the boat, I just come from a boat.
Yeah.
What are you talking about?
Yeah, these guys want to race us. Oh, we're gonna get a wake. Ooh.
Which looking trees? I see like a sloth and monkeys or
This guy is talking all the way up there.
We can't hear.
Nope, nope.
No.
Test your equipment before you head out. Here comes another little boat. That's a different kind. Oof.
1, 2, ooh.
Okay. Yay.
You hear me?
Yeah, I hear you.
So, again, my name is Juan.
They got
We
the private
have Manuel right here, also another tour guy. So,
Oh, man.
extra pair of eyes. Roger behind the wheel as our captain. So, my friends, we're going to be here for 1 hour and a little bit more, right? So, welcome to Tortuguero, Canada. This place is called Tortuguero. So, we are here. We're going to be navigating here. So you guys are going to sit back and relax. You guys are going to open your eyes and enjoy nature, because this place is for nature lovers, right? Yes, so we have tenemos amigos aquí tenemos los monos.
They're a nice bird,
Here comes another boat. Where? Ah, the heron. Monkeys?
Well, not on this side.
Mis amigos, aquí tenemos los monos aulladores.
I don't see the monkey.
Pueden ver.
Look over here. Like that. Right there. Oh, it's hiding now. I don't see him.
I don't see anything. I see a lot of trees. The trees are moving over there, so something. Yeah, it must be along.
Sí, está un poquito el there. So, my friend, Mom, look at the right hand side. Look at the leaf moving.
Okay. The branches
Oh yeah,
moving.
there. Where? The tree there. Middle one. You can there.
So my friends, you guys are going to be the whole ride down, right? We have an excellent captain. So first, my friends at the right hand side, then my friends at the left hand side. We need to keep the
That's the end of the line.
Keep that in mind, yeah, we need balance. In every single aspect of life, balance, also in the boat. So it's time for my friends at the left hand side, so you can check the howler's monkey. Okay, so this type of monkey, my friends, it's
There's a bird.
guys.
Well, I'm looking as hard as I can, but I
My
can't
dot,
see
my
it.
green dot right here.
Okay,
You guys can
there he
see
is.
the leaf
Yep,
moving,
yep,
leaf
yep.
moving right there.
Yeah, I see him. Yeah, right here, this branch right here.
Right there, you see,
the tail?
The tail.
Yeah.
They use the tail as a fifth hand, right? Fully herbivores,
He's a monkey.
food eaters also. Normally they live in a family or troops. From 5 all the way to 25 members. Howler monkeys. Alright, Captain, we can go.
Yeah, little birds.
Picture time. Oh, ok, hay algo allá, véalo allá, no sé si el láser se ve allá al fondo, lo ves, mira. Creo que es un perezoso, Manu, tú que, lo ves allá, Manu, mira. Es un perezoso, allá, chicos. Manu.
Evan Road.
Sí. Man, sí se está moviendo y sí está activo, pero uy, está bajando. Guys, straight. Chicos, al frente tenemos un perezoso. Es que... Yes, brand new too. Guys, check out the straight, like 12 p.m. It's a three-toed sloth. Es un perezoso de 3 dedos aquí al frente. Más está. Sí. Sí, ese mismo. So guys, no worries, be happy. Roger is going to help us with the location, with the food, and of course with the view, right? Sí, ese mismo está. Va, es que estaba enfocando para allá y lo vi. Pero está bajando. Está perfecto. So yes, guys, take a look at the right hand side, okay? We're spotting a sloth coming down, right there, a sloth right there. Manu, toma, Manu. Excelente. Manu, guys, look at that.
Where?
Justo verde,
Where are we looking at?
What are we looking at? Where?
I don't see anything. I mean, a sloth moves so slow, I can't miss it.
Someone of you see it?
No, I don't see anything.
You didn't see it?
No.
Try to follow that tallest tree.
The tall trees, all the way at the back.
Oh!
Oh, yes, I see it.
Oh, okay, yeah. All the way at the top there.
Guys, take a look at like the moving
Yeah.
leaves.
The big tree.
Oh, he's way up
Hold on a
there.
second, hold on a second.
Yeah. You need
He's hiding
binoculars.
behind those leaves.
You need
Manu
binoculars
is
to see
with
him.
the, Manuel is con la luz verde. So amigos, vean la luz verde.
We should
Manu,
use
¿no
a
se ve?
red light because the trees are
Ok,
green.
ahí se ve apenas, es que está muy camuflado. Yo creo que vamos a continuar. We're going to continue to try to spot. Yes, to camouflage, yeah. Alright. But yes, my friends, Costa. Stay right here.
Yeah, I see it there.
Stay right there.
Yeah.
hold your position. Hold your position.
Don't
Dale
move.
para atrás, dale para atrás. Hold your position and shot.
Yeah,
Hold on a second.
I see there. Yeah.
Two toes sloth, my friends, de dos dedos, perezosos de dos dedos.
Okay.
Normalmente todas las personas asocian esta criatura con la pereza, con todo lo relacionado a ir despacio, a no tener prisa. Pero
There he's scratching his foot. You can see it. So you said this is a two-toed sloth?
yes, my friend.
Okay,
Two-toed.
here, look, you take this shell, this.
Two toes sloth.
He's really picking up the pace now, trying to catch up with the other guys. Screaming that Suzuki 175. There's a heron again.
Guys, at your left hand side, that's a green heron right there. Green heron.
Oh,
Also, it's a feature. Sí, vamos allá. Vamos allá. We're going to show you the nest of that green heron. Times ago called greenback heron, but now it's just green. Take a look at the nest, Manu. Do you spot the nest?
How does it look?
Ese es el nido, mis amigos.
I see the bird back there. Where's the nest? Where's the nest? Here front.
There's two iguanas, two male iguanas, three iguanas right there.
well, I wish I could see him.
That's them. Cuatro. Four.
Oh, if you look closer, you can see him there. That's the bird's nest. There.
Look the iguana,
Over there, okay. Yeah, I see. He said there were 4 of them. I want to see that one.
Okay, let me find. Look here.
Oh,
There
okay.
also the other more.
Okay.
There?
Yeah. There's a bird down there too.
Okay.
There's a little bird down there.
This way. This way. My friend, come this way. Look this way. Look the babies. Take a view on this side.
You can't really
Yeah, there.
see, but the
See the
iguana.
nest. Where'd
Yeah.
the babies go?
The babies here.
Right
The babies
there.
Here. The babies are here. Look.
There.
The babies are here. Look.
I see them.
Little fledglings.
I'm trying to capture the iguana, but I can't really from the sun glare. I
He's
can't.
there. It's there.
Iguanas.
Right down there.
The iguanas are
Straight
really
in
scary.
Yeah. He went
Oh,
away.
I see
They're
him
going
but
further and
there's one
further
up
away.
there,
The
too.
iguanas are really scary. They fight.
Yeah. Oh yeah. There's the one
Okay.
there.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Show's over.
You know, like the Bible say, I don't want to start
See,
to pray,
really
but you know,
hard.
like the Bible say, that Jesus Christ. There, and then there is another one. And then
I as well film the waves because that's more exciting. Oh, they got a private one here. We should have had one like that. Yeah, we should have had that. He's going back to the docks now.
Yes. So my friends, 1 hour and few more minutes. Big applause to your crew and your captain.
Alright.
Excellent Roger, excellent Manuel. Guys, please check out